Hi guys, thank you for stopping by my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make simple ogbono soup. Our meat, our cow skin and cow strips and stockfish, everything is nicely washed. I'm going in with my pepper, pounded pepper. I'll be adding in some salt to taste. Yes, and then I went in with our bouillon cubes. Yes, guys, at this point be mindful not to oversalt your food, okay? Your meat rather. I'll give it a quick stir and cover. I'll be allowing it to cook in its own juice. I'm not going to be adding any water at this point. Few moments later, our chewing obstacles, they are 60% cooked. Yes, as you can see. So at this point, I'm adding water. The quantity of water I needed to make the soup. Yes. So at this point, I'm going to add palm oil. Yes. Inside this, I have my wild mango seed that is popularly known as ogbono and ogbenye. I combined everything together and blended together. I gave it a quick stir and covered the pot for everything to cook well. So guys, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do so. Thank you so much. I love you. And for all my subscribers, thank you. So I added the crayfish and then some bouillon cubes. Remember, we added some at the initial stage while we were cooking our meat. I covered the pot to allow everything to cook properly and well combined. Yes, give it a quick stir. Continue to stir, stir, and stir until you notice everything is properly combined. This leaf is the uziza leaf. It's responsible for giving your food a bitter taste. Yes, so I added a little bit of it just to give the soup a little bitter taste. Yes, I like it a little bit bitter. Be free not to add if you don't want to. It's completely optional, okay? Yes. So I'm giving it a quick stir. Stir and stir. Stirring is part of cooking, you know. Just make sure your soup don't get burnt. So the green vegetable you're seeing is the pumpkin leaf that is popularly known as the ugu leaf. Be free, like I said, to add any vegetable of your choice. Yes, anything at all. It's completely up to you. I'm just going to cook for 5 minutes so we don't overcook our vegetable. Yes, vegetables are meant to be fresh. Yes, guys, at this point, the aroma coming out from my kitchen is top notch. Trust me. Be free to enjoy the soup with anything like your swallow, your agidi, anything at all you deem fit. Thank you, guys. See you again some other time. Bye bye.